You know what? I haven't.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Oh yeah. It's the starter. Looks like it's original.
I haven't replaced it.
You haven't replaced it, huh? Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. How's it, guys? Good morning. It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining me. This is a 2001 Lexus IS300. It was towed here. It's a no start. Charged the battery, put my jump box, and it started right up. And then later on, it wouldn't start. It just kept on clicking. So what I'm gonna do is replace the starter. Also, customer requested to replace the radiator and thermostat. So the starter is right down there, and replace the radiator because there's discoloration and this becomes brittle. See, you see little cracks right here. That's the reason why. This is plastic composite. And then the thermostat is located right there. All right, let's do this. Take out the negative battery terminal. Let's see where it is. Get off. Oh, and over there too. Sure. Go. Oh, it's brittle. There. Let's push down. There, push. Huh. What's up there? Shit. It's not 12, it's fucking 14. Oh, it's 14 bitches. 12-inch extension. 14mm swivel. Yes. My neck is fucking hurting now. You can see it. See it just a little right there. Oh yeah, you could reach. Give me a 6-inch extension. Alright, got this 6-inch locking extension. Alright, that's good. Shit, I hope that's it. Oh yeah! Cordless ratchet. Oh, it's gonna drop. That's it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Just like that. Oh yeah. Got it. Okay, right there. Alright, starter. Looks the same. Here, you hold it down with the foot. Oh yeah. Slap this on. Went over it. my finger. Here you go. My neck is fucking hurting. Okay, now the top. Catch it. Oh shit, don't fucking come out. There we go. What the fuck? Okay, that's tight. Okay, that's tight. This one on. Yes. Yes. Just wash. Alright, good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Next video will be on the radiator and thermostat. God bless and peace. Cut.